Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the age of your kids in YouTube Kids. So go ahead and open youtubekids.com and click on any of your kids' profile. Click on the profile and click on the privacy icon, the lock icon, which is on the top of your screen on the right hand side. Now submit the calculation. Click on the setting of any of your kids, press OK, and you can see that you must enter your password. Press next after entering your password, and then you will need to go to edit, and then you can see you can change the age. And if you want to change the content, go to edit and you can select the type of content your child will see. So to edit the age, you can simply go in edit and change the age this way. After that, click on next and you can see that your child's age has been changed. Let me show it to you once again how you can change the name in YouTube Kids. Go ahead and tap on any of your kids, go to privacy, write down the calculation and then click submit. After that, click on one of your kids of whom you want to change their age, and then click your password, press next, click on edit, and you can change your kids' age. So this was a video on how you can change the age of your kids in YouTube Kids. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.